Hello again. So now you will have solved your yellow cross. So now our goal is to get the whole yellow top color to be solved. And this is really easy because we're using the sexy move again. The sexy move is very useful. And I know you're probably laughing at the word sexy, but get over it. Alright, so the way that we do this is we hold our yellow cross on bottom. And now what we want to do is find a corner piece or a piece that has three colors and it's not facing down with the yellow, so that's hard to explain, but this would be solved because it's facing down. This isn't because the yellow isn't facing down. So by turning the D layer, you want to put a corner piece in the bottom right. And then we're just using sexy move. So you do sexy move over and over until this is facing down. And all this top bit will be muddled, but it'll solve itself. So we do sexy move until it's solved. R, U, R prime, U prime. It's not solved yet. R, U, R prime, U prime. Right, now it's solved. But all this is muddled up. So what we're going to do, make sure that you don't rotate the cube. Do not rotate it. So if you have orange facing you in the beginning, orange is always facing you. So now you're going to turn the D layer until you find another corner that isn't facing down. So like this one, and I've put it in the bottom right by turning the D layer, or the yellow side, put it in the bottom right, and sexy move until it solves. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. And now that one's down, so I'll move my D layer, and I've got another one there. And I'll do sexy move again. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. So in my case, for every single corner, I had to only do it twice. But there may be some cases where you have to do it 4 times for one corner and 3 times for another corner. Like this, for example. So for this corner, I'd have to do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's not always going to be 2 times. And I'm just going to solve this nice and speedy. Except I looked it up. Alright, so this was a pretty quick one, but I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.